Hello friends, welcome to my channel English Vocabulary with Mahfoud, and another video, another vocabulary. And the vocabulary of today will be very interesting because two words we're having here in this video, they share the same meaning but people don't know how they can use them correctly. And the vocabulary of today are raise and rise. Okay, so those two words share the same meaning, of course, but they are different when it comes to the form and the pronunciation and the usage of them. Okay, let's see them. And first, let's start with the first one, that is raise. So raise is pronounced with raise. A and I in the middle, it is pronounced as raise. Okay, and let's see the meaning of the word. So raise means that something is going up. Okay, is moving up by someone or something. Okay, so raise, there must be someone or something, an object could be, that apply a power, okay, or a certain action to make a thing up or going up. Okay, and it needs a direct object, a receiver. So a direct object is the receiver of the action. Okay, and raise is a verb, so it's regular. When we say regular, it must be ended with ed. Okay, and the present form of it is raise, and the past is raise. Okay, so it's regular, we add the ed, and the past participle is raised again with ed at the end. Okay, let's see examples to know more about raise as a verb. So the first one, it says the student raised his hand to answer the question. Okay, raise is in the past form, and his hand is the direct object, is the receiver, okay, of an action. All right, so who raised his hand is a student. So here we cannot say the student raised his hand. We should say the student raised his hand because the student applied a power to raise his hand, to raise something that is his hand. Okay. The second, can you raise your voice please? Again, we're talking about someone who takes the action to raise something. So here, raise your voice. Someone raise, or can you raise your voice please? So someone raises his voice by his power, by his own. Okay, so if we say can you raise your voice please, it will be wrong, grammatically speaking. And the last one, it says he has raised the bottle to drink some water. Okay, so I put here has raised because I would like to show you what is past participle. So the past participle must be going with the perfect tense, and the perfect tense, it is used with to have auxiliary. And in this case we have present perfect. We talked about the present perfect in the previous session. You can check the video, of course, on my channel. So it is said he has raised. So raised here is the past participle form of the verb raise, and the receiver of the action is the bottle. So he has raised the bottle. Okay, if you say he has risen the bottle, it will be wrong. Okay, I hope you got the point. And now we will move on to another word, that is rise. Okay, rise means that something is going up, but here by itself. Okay, no one rises it, no one take the action or apply the power to rise something. This is the difference. So rise means that something is going up by itself and it doesn't need a direct object. Okay, so there will be no direct object to receive the action since the thing will be risen by itself. Again, it's a verb. This is a similarity that shares with raise. Okay, so rise is a verb that is irregular. It is ended in different forms, and en, and the en form is in the past participle. So let's see the present first, is rise. Okay, the past form is rose. This is why we call it irregular. It changes. Okay, and past participle is risen. So it changes completely the form of it. So to know more about this term, let's see it in examples. Okay, the first example, the smoke was rising into the air. Okay, so the smoke is rising by itself. No one rises it. If we say the smoke was raising into the air, it's completely wrong in English. The second, the sun rises at 7 o'clock. Okay, again, it's a general truth. The sun rises itself, okay, and the sunrise in the morning, okay, and this is in the present form, okay. The last one, the book has risen to the top of bestseller lists. Here, the last example, so we have used the present perfect and we have used the past participle form, risen, okay. I made this example to make you aware of how the past participle looks like. Good day to you all, and thank you for watching. If you like the video, just click the like button, and if you have any question, just go to the comment section below and I will reply to it. I hope I can see you next time. Till then, thank you. See you.